What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I am here in Five Below, and of course I'm seeing new things right away that I want to share with you guys. $5 clothes, $5 shoes. I wanted to go ahead and start with these pants right here since they're brand new since last week. These pants have an elastic waist. They're not super stretchy like some of the others that you may have seen, but they are super cute. And then we have the little gray skirt behind here. I think maybe they've added some of these new little like bralettes or sports bras. This is kind of like an orangey neon red. And then they still have the cotton skirts here for $5. The navy. I was gonna show Birdie these. Look, Birdie. What do you think? You like them? Yeah, I meant to show you those last week. Those are brand new. And then I think these are new too. The little navy stretchy. And then if you guys missed last week's video, these are also brand new and they're sort of the same material. Like you might need to iron them. They're not like stretchy like some of the ones that maybe you've seen in Forever 21. The material is kind of like that of a collared shirt. And then they have the cute little headbands. I'm seeing gingham pop up everywhere. I know Bath & Body Works has a new gingham scent that I've been hearing a lot about. And then they added these ones over here. These are like super silky and nice, like really, really silky. And then let's see what we have over here, because I think we have some new accessories and jewelry. For some reason I'm thinking these are new. The little blue. This might be cute. Let's walk over here. So maybe like this top, these earrings, and these pants, or maybe if you want to do like the cute white with these earrings and these pants. I really love to play around with accessories and kind of give you guys ideas. And then they have the jewelry sets too, the $5 jewelry sets. The rings and the chokers. Ooh, I think these are new. Oh, this is so cute. I really like this one. I'm getting very slight Gucci vibes from this. Very slight. Gucci meets 90s. And some more cards, some $5 cards. This one here. The cute little hair accessories. I saw some new flip-flops over here, you guys. These are so cute. Look at the little peachies. The cute little peachy flip-flops. I love the strap color. I love the pink and green. And they also have the lemon ones. And they have the watermelons. And they added these tanks. I'm seeing more new shorts. I haven't shown these to Birdie yet over here. She might like them though. Look, Birdie, these are brand new from last week. The little navy with the stripes. I was really feeling this one last week. Look at this color. It's kind of cute.
I like it.
And then these ones. Oh yeah, and then the tanks, you guys, up here. If you guys remember last week's video, I showed a bunch of these new tanks and a bunch of these new shorts. And if you guys remember last week, it was like a gray and white pair. They had this pink one down here last week, but now they've added this super cute like navy blue, and I really like the colors that they chose for the stripes. You guys, I am just seeing so many new things this week. I'm seeing even more new clothes over here. I'm seeing some tie-dye. Okay, let's start here. This is sort of like an ombre, sort of tie-dye-like pool cover-up or little dress. And then they have the neon. And this pretty one, you guys know I got this one. Ooh, and then they added this blue. It's so pretty, the blue and white and the solid black. And then they added these shirts, and they kind of feel like active shirts, but they feel a little bit like on the long side. And they feel kind of silky. The brand is 5 More Minutes. And then they also have the black and white. Yeah, these definitely, I don't think they're dresses, you guys. It kind of looks just like a long tunic. And then they have these little rompers here. I really love the blue and white. The black romper, these little fuzzy ones. I'm just seeing a lot of new things this week, you guys. I really, really like these a lot. I really like these, and I really like the shorts. And they have even more shorts over here. They have the little, like, terry cloth. And then they have the dressy ones over here that are kind of thin. I think this is new. Good Vibes. This is definitely new. And it looks like it's cropped. Ooh, and it's kind of fuzzy. I really like this. Okay, I think I'm seeing even more dresses over here that are new. Yeah. Okay, where should we start? They have a little gray dress. This one, they have a black. This kind of pink and blue. This gray one. This one is new this week. It's like a pretty blue and peach. And then they have the white and green. And some of these basic ones, I think these are new. They're ribbed. This little one. The floral. The blue. You guys will definitely find something that you like. And then, of course, there's the whole wall of tees. I want to come back to these little bags. I am wearing a shirt from Five Below today. I am wearing a Hakuna Matata shirt today. And I really love it. This Mario Kart shirt is brand new, and I really love the pink. Like, I love that. And then they have Toy Story, and it is so cute. Look, you guys. So, so cute. Black Panther, I think that's been here. Hey Arnold, I think is new. This one over here is also new. Okay, let's open it up. The colors are just so bright. It says Real Monsters. I just love these bright colors with the black background. The Captain Marvel, I think, is new. The Empire Strikes Back is new. They have a lot of really good shirts in here. And you guys are always asking me, how do they fit? How do they wash? How do they dry? They are excellent. You can wash and dry them as normal. They do not shrink. Stains come out of them easily. The shirts from here are really, really good. And a lot of them are even licensed product, as you guys can see here. Licensed shirts, like Disney licensed or Nintendo licensed or MTV licensed. Yeah, you guys, you can't go wrong with these shirts. And I think they added some new socks too. I think these Toy Story 4 socks are new. Aww. Cute little no-shows. Sorry, I can't open them up a little better for you guys, but yeah, those are super cute. For $5, you get 4 pairs. Let's see if they added anything new over here. They have lots and lots of lanyards and keychains. Really, really cute stuff. These have been here for a while, and one day I'm going to get one. They just call them Kawaii Keys, or maybe that's the brand, Kawaii Keys. The donut, the banana, the lemon, the panda. The panda's so cute. I think the panda's new. And they have Harry Potter, Game of Thrones buttons, Golden Girl buttons, cute other little like cutesy kawaii keychains. I love the pineapple. Aw, I love this one too. I think these ones are new. These ones with the little crystal on them. Howlite, amethyst, clear quartz, and rose quartz. And they have magnets over here for $3, and they have added a lot, like a whole lot. I've never seen so many magnets here as I'm seeing right now. Central Perk, Captain Marvel, We Can Do It. Oh my gosh, I have to see this one. Everything is always better when you don't care. Okay, welcome to the Cat Cafe. Mac Cat Runes, Peppy Meow Knee Pizza, Meow's Cream, and Cat Burger. Very kawaii and very cute. A little succulent. What makes a llama a great friend? Okay, I have to know. Easy to listen to all your problems. A great dresser. A loving heart, always there to carry you. Cute little panda. Go to sleep, sweetheart, and pray for brains. Oh, Dorothy. I used to watch the show with my granny when I was a girl. Llama said, knock you out. That's a play on a song that used to be out, you guys, by LL Cool J. Let me know down in the comments if you know the name of that song. Little air fresheners. Oh, and I love their enamel pins. Let's see if they added any new ones. You guys know the one I'm looking at right away. Right away, I am looking at these. Also something I want to get and I have to put on my wish list one day. These are so cute, the cute little cactus and succulents. These are, let's see, it has the little orange dot, so they're $3. I think most of these are $3. So cute. I love the fortune kitties. They look kind of sad though. Peanut butter and jelly. Taco and hot sauce. So cute. I love the narwhals. And let's see if we have any new jewelry. Girl power. Oh, this is so pretty. I like that. Oh, these are really cute, like really delicate and feminine. A little pearl with the bow, the moon. These are all just $5. And let's see, these are also $5, and we get 20 pairs of earrings for $5. I really like these right here. These would look so cute on Birdie. The cute little cubes. Aw, the cactus. So cute. It looks like they've added some new hats too. They've added lemon hats and they've added watermelon hats. Those are too cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, they added even more slides. Okay, so last week they had the pink, which I love so much. I love the pink, I love the blue, but they've also added this really cute, just basic clear white. If you guys are gonna get some of these, just definitely try them on because I feel like they do run a little small, but you'll probably still find your size. Right when I'm trying to end the video, you guys, look, even more cuteness for just $5. 10 pairs of socks. These ones are all like super cute colors, pink and blue and purple and white. 10 pairs. They have cats. I think they have llamas. Yeah, little llamas or alpacas. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me for this video. I'm off to film another video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.